everyone, it's your girl Tasha and I'm back to you guys with another video. So today, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a nice 4-month-old retwist, and I'm going to just be showing you guys how I do that, and I'll also be giving you guys some little updates. Let's get right into the video. So I use a spray bottle with water. I use Got to Be Spray to just hold my stuff in place when I'm done. I use some black castor oil by Mango and Lime. And then I also go in with some Eco Styling Gel for the retwist to hold my locks together. And then I also use the Black Magic Light Pomade. And of course, I use my handy dandy clips. So let's get started. So the first thing I do is I go ahead and I spray my hair with my spray bottle that has water in it. The last thing you want to do is retwist or manipulate dry hair. As I stated before, or I'm not sure if I did, I wash my hair and I let it basically air dry about probably like a week ago. So my hair is clean. It's pretty dry, so I wanted to make sure that I moisturize it with some black castor oil. And I'm not going to go through my whole head just because by the time I get to the top, it will more than likely be dry. So I just want to make sure that I get some black castor oil on all of my twists, and as well as some water, just so that it can kind of hold the moisture. So that's just all I'm doing now, and then I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to start, and you guys can watch. So one thing I did want to point out is my preferred method for retwisting any type of locks is the famous palm rolling method. However, my hair is short right now, so as you guys can see, I'll try to palm roll some of them, but majority of them, depending on where it is on my head, I will probably do what some would call finger coil, just because my hair is still long enough that I can just go down with my finger as if I'm doing a finger coil. As you guys can see, I'm doing the motion for a finger coil, and then I will palm roll once I get to the end just to tighten it up. So either method works well. I just think that if you have a more I want to say more coarse hair, you want to twist it pretty tight but not too tight. So you want to twist the root and then palm roll the bottom of the lock. One thing I will say that I've noticed since I've started my locks this time around, and if you guys didn't know, I did have locks before this. This is my second, well, technically it's my third set of locks, but as far as you guys know, this is my second set of locks. And one thing that I'll definitely say that I've noticed about my hair this time around, that is extremely dry. It's a lot drier than my last set of locks, and I'm not exactly sure why. So when I had my last set of locks, I will say that I did put a lot of oil in my hair, and I decided I wasn't going to do that this time, even though you guys did see me put the black castor oil in my hair, but that's only because I was doing maintenance. I noticed that if you have type 4C hair, we attract a lot of dust and things into our hair, and if you put oil in your hair and you're sleeping without a scarf on, or it's just a lot easier for dust and dirt to attract to hair that has oil on it. So I'm trying to come up with a good remedy onto keeping my hair moisturized. I do use Carol's Daughter spray conditioner, and it's not so much of an oil base, but it is more liquid. But I'm thinking about using rose water. If any of you guys have used rose water, I want to know, what are your opinions? Like, drop some comments down below so I can figure out what I want to use for my hair, what I can use for my hair to help it stay moisturized, because I am experiencing a little bit of breakage. Now, as far as my hair locking, There are some of my starter locks that I feel like are locking, and there are some that I still have to from time to time retwist, whether it be the end or the root. But I've noticed the middle is what I am seeing most progress on as it relates to my head, just because the middle of my hair is the thickest part of my hair, and the longest part of my hair is on the sides and my nape area. So yeah, that's just a little bit of fun facts about my hair. My next video, well, my next update video will probably be my 5-month lock journey. I started 4 months late just because I don't know, I just couldn't imagine jumping on camera the way my hair was looking. Y'all know how it is when you go through the starter stage, the ugly stage, what they call it. So yes, my next video will be a month from now, or probably not even a month. It'll probably be, yeah, a month from now. I'm not sure if I will retwist them, because I'm not sure if retwisting every month on a set of starter locks will be. Thank you so much for watching. So as you guys can see, we are at the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next. Bye.